good friends, welcome. Remember, for the new members, remember to promote my channel. Just subscribe, like, share and comment. Going direct to the point to my tutorial, and for today's tutorial I want to show you how to fix overheating phones. In some cases you meet that on normal operation of your phone, you meet that your phone displays or it gives you a warning that it is overheating. Now this basically it is the CPU of your phone which is working over the required temperature. Now just give you some of the precautions what you can do to reduce the temperature of your phone. One, if your phone has a case, the outer case, just remove it. Point number two, don't store your phone or don't place your phone on direct sunlight. Number three, use the light changer of your phone. This may cause your phone to overheat if you're not using the right changer. Another point, number four, reduce the brightness of your phone. For example, if you're operating your phone, use the brightness of your phone. Maybe your phone brightness is very high, so check on the brightness of your phone. You can reduce it like this to lower the temperature. You can reduce it. Another point, please don't place your phone in a freezer. You harm your phone more than treating it. Another point to observe for you to reduce or to fix overheating phone, just make sure that all the apps installed on your phone are up to date. Just update all your apps. You may note also again that there are some cases where some apps are running on background, causing the CPU of your phone to overheat. You may need to turn off all the apps which are running on the background. And on this matter, you may get a hard time to get the apps which are running on the background. And it is here now I'll give you a simple task which will require a certain app which will make your work simple. You just go to your phone Play Store, then install this app known as Phone Master. Just install this app. I have it on my phone. It does a good job. Phone Master. After installing Phone Master, you just tap to open. Tap to open. To open your Phone Master. Tap to open. Now, when you open this, the app that you have installed, Phone Master, you know that it carries a lot of tasks. You can use it to clean junk files. screen or to cool your phone, etc. Now, since we are concentrating on cooling your phone, this app will close all the apps which are running in the background, which are causing your CPU to overheat. Just after installing it, you just tap on cool your phone, this one, like this. Then it will select, it will scan your apps. Finally, it will identify the apps which are causing your phone to overheat. These are all the apps which are causing my phone to overheat, and thereby you have to tap on cool down. When you tap on cool down, it will shut down all the apps which are running in the background, and this now it will reduce the temperature of your CPU. Just click cool down. You can see this is the process. This is the process. There are some ants, but when you look at the upper part of it, it is cooling down. It is fixing 32 problems. After that, when it concludes fixing the problem, you just switch back to the normal operation of your phone. Just restart your phone for it to start running normally. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. You meet again with another tutorial. Hope you have all enjoyed. Please remember to comment under the comment section of this video regarding this tutorial.